Hey my friend, it's Dave Sievers, the part-time affiliate. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to start affiliate marketing. How to start affiliate marketing. Let's get into this right away. The first question that one should ask of themselves is, what is your underlying motivation for starting your online business? And in the course of me engaging with a variety of people over the years that I've been involved with, marketing online, there's several answers to this question that usually bubble up to the top. Number one, people are looking to supplement their income. They just do not make enough money in their current job in order to make ends meet. And they desire to have additional money. And instead of getting a second job or perhaps a third job, they look to affiliate marketing or developing an online business as a way to supplement their income. Another reason or strong motivation that people have is because they've built up a lot of debt and they just need to have additional money so that they can accelerate the elimination of debt in their life. A very strong reason for wanting to become an affiliate marketer. Oftentimes people are working in a job that they do not enjoy, or a job that they do not think is going to ultimately enable them to save the amount of money that they need to save to retire, or to live their life in the way that they desire to live. Either they have to be at a certain place at a certain time, or they have to do things that they don't particularly find to be the most enjoyable things to do. And so they look to start an affiliate marketing business with a primary motivation of having an exit strategy to be able to leave a dead-end job. And some people, they just desire a better lifestyle. Perhaps they are not totally unhappy with the job that they have, but they would just like to have more money so that they can travel more, or so that they can own a home in another place, or buy a home, or perhaps change the car that they drive in some other way to improve their lifestyle. And these are all great reasons to want to start an affiliate marketing business. And I would say when it comes to how to start affiliate marketing, the first thing that a person should do is really sit down and answer this question: why do I want to start an affiliate marketing business? Because this is going to become the real key motivating factor for you as you go through the process of learning how to earn money online. Now, for me, it really came down to this one benefit of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers can create financial security and freedom. This was, for me, the primary motivation to pursue having an online business, because very late in my life, I went through a financial loss, which actually took away half of the money that I had saved. And therefore, I was in a situation late in life where the only thing that I could foresee was that I would have to continue working well beyond what would be considered retirement age because of that financial loss that I experienced fairly late in my life. And so the idea of financial security and freedom and the ability to have more time freedom were the key motivators for me. And what does this really mean? Well, when you think about, are you ready to start an online business, right? Most of us are approaching this from the standpoint of being employees. And when you're an employee, there are certain things that are done for you. Like, you don't have to worry about your benefits. You come to work at a certain place at a certain time. And as long as you do that, and you do your job in an effective way, you'll get a check. You get vacation time, you get benefits. There's a lot of things that's provided for you. And when you are going through the thought process of figuring out how to move from being an employee or perhaps a self-employed person to now moving over to the right side of the cash flow quadrant, where you can earn passive income and where you can have a degree of freedom because you own a system and people work for you, well, that shift requires a change in you. And most people that succeed at this are the people who are able to make that shift. And the people who fail, basically, it boils down to them not being able to make the shift that Robert Kiyosaki talks so much about in his book, The Cash Flow Quadrant. Now, what is the shift? Well, as he explains in the book, when you're an employee, you have certain habits that you form and certain responsibilities that you have, and you have a certain mindset. And as you shift to becoming a business owner, you're in a situation now where you have to learn different things. You have to be able to do different things. You have to shift your mindset around what the scope of your responsibility is and how you think about things. And these shifts that we have to go through as a person really can provide an obstacle or act as an obstacle to many people who are thinking of starting out their own business. And so it's really advisable for each of us to think through, are we ready to make this shift? Is it really worth it to us to go through the change that we would have to go through in our lives in order to successfully develop our own business and to have greater leverage in our life because we own a system and people are working for us? Okay, so let's get into this more. Is it worth it? Well, think about it this way. Being an employee versus being a business owner. What's at stake here? As an employee, someone else decides to hire us, and someone just as easily can decide to fire us. In fact, if you think about something that was recently happening in the United States with the government shutdown, there are many government workers who simply still have a job and still have a responsibility to work, but they're not able to get paid because the government is shut down. There are many firms that are downsizing and moving jobs to other countries where the cost for hiring someone is much lower. And this is a way for them to save money and to earn more profit. But as an employee, you work for someone else who decides to hire you or fire you. So you really do not have full control over the source of your income, meaning that someone can decide to stop paying you at their discretion, and you could be totally unprepared for that, which is a very precarious situation to be in. But as employees, that's the situation that we're in. Again, we have limits on how much money you can earn. As an employee, typically what happens? You work all year, you have a performance review, and then hopefully at the end of the year, you sit down with your manager and they tell you whether you're going to get an increase year over year, which on average, people should be getting a cost of living increase. But if you perform well, perhaps you can make even more than that year over year. But people look forward to getting an increase at the end of the year because this is the way that it helps them to grow their income as an employee. The other thing, though, some people have jobs, and I happen to be in a situation where you can also earn a bonus. And so you work hard all year, you get paid your salary, and then at the end of the year, you're looking forward to someone telling you how much bonus you're going to get and whether or not your salary is going to increase for the next year. The point I'm trying to make here is that there's limits on how much money you can earn because, number one, someone else is determining your value. And number two, someone else is making the decision about how much more income you're going to earn as an employee. And even as a self-employed person, this applies because as a self-employed person, as you well know, you own your own job. And if you're a dentist or a lawyer or a carpenter or a plumber, basically, if you don't work, if you don't deliver your specialized skills, then you don't get paid. And so there's a limit on how much you can earn because there's just so much time in a day that you can effectively work. The third thing here is that as an employee, most people don't take advantage of the vehicles that exist, the means that exist to protect their assets. So in my case, I went through a financial loss, 24 years into a marriage, and all of the money that we had saved essentially had to be split between us. And I had no assets of my own that were in any way protected from that decision. And so as a business owner, you have many, many more options at your disposal to protect your assets. And this is another thing that for me makes going through the shift to become an affiliate marketer, going from being an employee to being a business owner entirely worth it. The question is it worth it to you to go through the effort to do the same thing, right? To go through those shifts, to go through those changes that you have to do, to learn the things that you have to learn in order to be successful running your own business. All of these problems that we talk about here, someone else having control over the source of your income, someone else determining how much money you're actually able to earn, and not having any protection, all of these problems can be solved by starting your own business. But again, the question is it worth it to you? Financial security. I referred to this earlier. Most people think about financial freedom, which in fact is just the point at which your business is producing more income than you need to sustain your lifestyle. That's financial freedom. Financial security, though, addresses the three problems that we spoke about on the prior slide. Number one, you gain control. because now you've learned how to create income streams digitally on the internet. You found out and you developed the techniques to be able to deliver value to some group of people on the internet and have them exchange that value with income that you've earned. And you can do this in such a way where you're in complete control of it. No one can fire you from your own business. Nobody is able to cut off your source of income once you learn how to develop an affiliate marketing business. Another thing, scalability. Nobody is dictating how much I'm able to earn. As an affiliate marketer, I can create one income stream, marketing or promoting a certain set of products. I could simply direct that audience to a different set of products and earn even more income. I can create entirely new income streams by going into different niches and rinsing and repeating, doing the same thing over and over again, learning how to serve a particular audience that I'm interacting with digitally in such a way where it incentivizes them to exchange money for the value that they're receiving from the services that I'm providing online. So you have complete ability to scale your income, and no one is sitting with you at the end of the year telling you how much of a cost of living increase you're going to get or whether or not you're going to get a bonus. It's entirely dependent upon your own efforts. Number three, as a business owner, there are a number of strategies that you can put in place and that it behooves you to put in place to protect your assets so that the good efforts that you've been putting forth to build your business are protected in such a way that nobody is able to take your assets away. And so for me, financial security, having control, having the ability to scale my income, and having the ability to protect my income was the fundamental reason why I got into affiliate marketing. And I think when you think about affiliate marketing and having your own business, it's one of the most powerful aspects of having your own business. So the choice is really up to us. We could either do nothing or we could decide to make a change. If we do nothing, we keep trading time for money. We remain at the mercy of others. We maintain our existing lifestyle, yes, but if you wanted to improve or increase or expand your lifestyle, you have very limited options. Number four, there's a statistic that says the average American retires with only $1,000 to $12,000 to their name. And so what that really is saying is that the average person in America is retiring broke, right? They haven't acquired or saved enough money in order to effectively retire. And there are many people that I know in that situation. In fact, I'm in that situation, which is the reason why I'm working so diligently to build my affiliate marketing business. Now, by making a change, we're, on the other hand, able to achieve financial security, right? Because you have control over the creation of your assets, you have control over the scalability of your assets, and you have control over the protection of your assets. Number two, you gain more control over your life because with security comes control. And when you feel secure and when you know that you're secure, now you have a sense of relief, right? Because you've mitigated the risk of losing the financial basis that is the support system for your lifestyle. Number three, because you have the income and because you have the ability to increase your income to whatever degree you need to, you can create your ideal lifestyle. Four, you can earn unlimited income from anywhere in the world. And so you overcome the outcome that many people in the world today experience by not having enough money by the time they reach retirement to be able to effectively retire. With this strategy, learning how to become an affiliate marketer, you put yourself in a position where you now have command and you can earn unlimited income. And so it's really all a function of how do you want to design your lifestyle, because you can create the amount of income that you need to live your ideal lifestyle. And this is the value proposition of going through the effort to make the shifts that Robert Kiyosaki talks about to make a change in order to create, a sense of financial security and freedom in your life. And so we talk about freedom. What really is freedom? We've learned what financial security is. Freedom is really all about how you give value to others using techniques which generate income on a 24/7 basis, but still enabling you to work only part-time. And this is very, very important to me because while I have a job that I enjoy, it has come at the cost of spending inordinate amount of time, not just 40 hours a week, 50, 60 hours a week, having to travel, spend time away from my family, spend time away from people that I love, always having to be in a certain place at a certain time, being on call 24 hours a day. So this is the cost of me being in a position where I can earn, a reasonable amount of income. But the time that it requires really is a limit on my freedom. And so financial security and freedom are the two key motivators for me. And having gone through this material, perhaps you could see the value of attaining financial security and having more freedom in your life for you as well. So ask yourself, is this for you? Is this something that is worth it to you? And here's another question. What if you could start for free? So many of the people that I've encountered, their number one hindrance or obstacle is that they want to start a business, but they don't have the money to start a business. And oftentimes it's like a catch-22 situation. And so nowadays, now at no other time has this existed before, but now it is possible for you to learn how to start your own business completely for free. And so if you could start for free, which you can, would you do it? Would you do it? Well, here's an invitation that I'd like to share with you. Join the free 15-day online business builder challenge with actually me and David Sharp. David Sharp is someone that if you don't know, you should know. He's a tremendous friend and one of the most important mentors that has enabled me to achieve success online. And now he is offering this 15-day online business builder challenge to anyone who is desirous of starting their own business. In fact, you can start your own affiliate marketing business and get your first sale in 15 days. And here's the benefits. You can learn the number one business model to launch online. And it doesn't require previous experience. It doesn't require any advanced technical skills. You can learn the simple two-step funnel that all top affiliate marketers use. Imagine being able to learn how to start your own affiliate marketing business and to avoid the trial and error that most people encounter and that dashes their hopes to the ground. Well, in this 15-day online business builder challenge, you're going to be able to avoid all of that trial and error because you're going to learn the number one business model that you should use to launch online. And you're going to, number two, learn the two-step funnel that all top affiliate marketers are using to earn income today. And number three, you're going to learn the 6-step system to choosing a niche, a target audience, and then launching your new business. And at the end of 15 days, you'll have a clear, defined, well-defined plan on how to launch your business. And guess what? There's no credit card required. It's 100% free. And all you have to do is click the link in the description below this video to get started. And so I invite you to join the 15-day online business builder challenge with David Sharp. Just click the link in the description below and start now for free. This is Dave Sievers, the part-time affiliate, always, requesting that you subscribe to my channel and that you share what you're learning here with others so that we can all create the lifestyle of our dreams.